What is up? I am Omni, and this is Ark Survival Evolved on the Wolves server. I want to thank you all for joining me today, and thank you for the support so far. I really appreciate it. And remember, if you like this video, slam that like button for me. It'll really help me out. And if you want to keep following this series, please subscribe. Alright. Today's plan. I kind of think I want a backup flyer. Well, actually just another functional flyer. I've got Anarchy here. She's my battle bird. And despite how awesome she is, she can only do so much. I have Sauron, my Pteranodon, down there in the village. He's my drop hunter. Haven't taken him out yet, though. Maybe we should do that sometime. What do you think? Yeah? Alright. We'll do that sometime, but for today, other function that I want to fulfill is a weight carrier. And Quetzals are cool and everything, but they are just a hard time to tame. So, if you haven't guessed yet, what we're going to do is we're going to try to find us a high-level RG to turn into a weight bird. Now, you might be able to recognize I'm on that little mountain in the center of the map. Just that little one there, right near where 50 and 60 intersect. Or, sorry, that should be 60 and 50. And I'm just trying my luck here. You know, I don't need a 120. Another 116 would be awesome. So, I'm going to bring you guys with me while we try to hunt around. Maybe we can down one real quick. See, I saw feathers flying there. That's a 32. Pretty colors. Alright, what about over here? 12... 24. Get in first person, it makes pulling this scope out a lot easier. I kind of wish the spyglass would give like an unmagnified view instead of just pure black. I mean, I know it's realistic, but it makes, you know, trying to scope dinos out just super hard. Okay, what about you? Maybe I'm not going to find a high level around here. A 24 and a 4. What about you? A 16, man. It seems like, even though I was hoping to get an RG close to home, because I'm in the redwood biome here, that I'm not just not gonna get that. Oh man. Alright, well, we're gonna hunt around. We're not gonna give up, because I know for a fact that RGs can be made into awesome weight birds. You're probably one of those low levels I scoped earlier. 32. Alright, well, we're just going to cut to the chase. We're going to try to go to the volcano over here. Oh, before... Oh. Hello, RG hidden in the forest. What about you? Are you a really low level? Man, not low level, but I was hoping for something at least 112 or better. Alright. I want to make a pit stop down here. I see, no stupid raptors. Let's just make sure Anarchy's prepared in case of the unfortunate. There we go, following me in case I die, so she'll hang around. But on neutral, so she'll defend herself if she's attacked. That's usually my policy. If I'm going on quick little flights somewhere, I leave her on passive to make sure she doesn't just take off if like something sneaks up on me. But if I'm going out for a really long flight, then I go ahead and turn her on neutral. I just had a pretty good lag spike back there. Did y'all catch it? Okay. Come on, I just want to be able to find a really good level. Oh, great, an alpha. What level are you, hombre? Level 12, I think it said? I think I'll just leave it there for now. Alrighty. Man, I tell you what, ever since the biome update, it seems like they've rekajiggered all the spawns. Like, it just doesn't seem like there's, like, the usual hotspots aren't the hotspots anymore. You get what I'm saying, peeps? A terror bird. Seen too many of those lately. For those of you that don't know or haven't gotten a chance to get in there, the redwood biome is chock full of them. I mean, they're basically the main predator over there. Are you kidding me? Am I gonna have to go to an altogether different mountain? It's kinda looking like that, ain't it, guys? Am I just too high? Oh wow, look at all that. Oh no, that's not metal. I thought each and every one of those rocks there was metal for a second. Jeez, it kinda would have been cool if I could have found an RG or two with that Alpha Raptor nearby, because I mean, Anarchy's getting up there. She's rocking 400 melee damage right now. Ooh, stop. Okay, scope before they get too close. 16, drat. What about you? 8? Really? Huh. I keep getting little lag spikes here and there. Let me just... Okay, sorry about that. Just double checking I was actually recording there, guys. Ooh, look at this! Oh, is this part of that river that goes... Yeah, that's... Oh, crap. What's pushing stuff over? I don't like that. Ooh, Quetzal. 44. Okay. But stuff was falling. Alright, it looks like Brontos. I was afraid it was a Giga coming through the forest at me. I might tame one of those guys as a mobile base, considering the Titanos are, kinda tricky. Where is this letting out at? Sorry for the distraction, guys. It's just... I don't recognize this. Obviously got some ruins here. There's the volcano. I can't wait till they put in the Explorer notes. I want to see what they're about. Okay. Let's... Ooh. Get my bearings real quick. Alright, that should be Red Tower. That's the volcano. There's Blue Tower. Off in the distance is green. I was never aware of that little river. I wonder if it is new. Okay, guys. Well, with that big, giant distraction there out of the way, I think I'm going to cut away, try to find a good RG to tame, and bring you guys back. So... Oh, come on, level 12. Let me just scope these few RGs. Alright. BRBs in a bit, guys. See you soon. What is up, and welcome back, peeps. Well, I visited practically all the mountains around here, and I couldn't find an RG I was after. However, I did find something else. Let me get out of K-menu. Alright. Do you see that guy there? Check it out. A 120 male Carno. The perfect mate for my caramel. Now, this is going to be super duper tricky. So, let's leave you here on passive, stop following. Actually, wait a minute. I'm going to have to go to a rock or something. Preferably one that it can't climb. Okay, is there any chance I could kite you, or are you gonna run? Yep. Did you run? Seriously. What the crap is with this running thing, man? Alright. He can totally climb most of these. That might be the safest up here. Okay. So, I've only got 75 arrows on me. Let's try to make each one count. Seriously. Alright. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any kibble with me. But hopefully, this guy can stay safe enough down there. No, don't run. Huh, I did get him. Alright. I really want this dude. I mean, he's a 120. Hopefully I can keep prime meat coming. Can I get you in the face? I wonder if that counted. Oh, and he's down! Awesome sauce! Those arrows? Give me those arrows. Alright. So, hopefully he stays safe. But you know what? I wonder. How hard would it be I bet you. No. There we go. Okay. Alright, guys. Well, there's nothing to do from here except I think I'm going to build a little wall around him really quick and then go out prime meat hunting. So, I know this is a really short clip, but it went extra smooth, which is just the way I like it. So, I'm going to cut away and bring you guys back when he's all nice and tamed up. So, until then, see you in a bit. What is up, and welcome back, peeps. Well, it has been a fairly successful run. He is almost tamed. Oh, yeah, pre-tamed stats. 1848 health, 810 stamina, oxygen food, no one cares, 396 weight, 195 melee, 100 movement, 2849 torpor. I have done like a complete prime meat tame. So we are at 88%, not bad at all. I think maybe, I don't know if the effectiveness fell because he was pretty hungry when I came by with the first load of prime, so I'm not sure if I loaded it fast enough. But, as you can see out here, I kind of just built a really quick wall to protect him. And also to throw this little monkey I picked up here, because I quickly realized every time I was fighting stuff, when I'd hit the air brakes, I'd throw him out into the fight, which wasn't really cool there. Alright, so it should be any second now. Pretty dang soon. Got another 10 or 15 seconds. Yeah, luckily, Anarchy performed awesomely. Let's move her just a little bit closer. I was throwing out prime, so I wanted to make sure I had room to maneuver around. But yeah, I don't know what kind of name I'm going to give him yet, but I don't have a raft, which means I'm probably going to have to park him somewhere safe. Just... Oh, troll bite! No, troll bite! Oh, you stink! Let's just go ahead and hurry it up with this. There, that'll make sure the torpor stays nice and high. But yeah, I mean, I set out for an RG today, which is cool, but I just couldn't pass up a 120 Carno. I mean, he is going to make a great mate for Caramel. And not only that, but we still do have Caramel's mother with us too, so she was a 120 prime meat tame. No, was she 120? She was like 120 or 116. I know that. She was really up there. So, this will go great towards breeding the tribe some ground mounts. But this has just been totally awesome. I didn't have that much trouble going around and collecting it. There were some times there where I was really worried about Anarchy, but, you know, she just was awesome. I basically went around and annihilated everything. Like even a 112 T-Rex. Can you believe that? But, yeah, I mean, this shouldn't be surprising, though. She's rocking 406 melee. I'm trying to get up to 500. Kind of really hoping I can make that. Not sure what I'll do after that. Maybe more life so she can really tank some stuff. Okay, little dude. Let's get you following me again. Pick you up. How soon? Pretty soon. I'm just hoping nothing really big and bad sneaks up on me, because we're kind of really up the coast there. I mean, we get some spawnings happening in this area. Oh, there we go. Oh, I missed it. Darn! Okay. Break that. No, give me the foundation. Because as great as it would be to recycle all this, I just don't really have the weight for it. Anarchy's a battle bird, not a weight Archie. I gave her a little bit of weight to make sure she could carry equipment. Okay, let's go ahead and throw my tag on this, though, until I can think of a name for it. Alright. I don't know. He's got this nice orange and coppery green color to him. Okay, can you get out of there is the million-dollar question. Frickin' awesome. Alright, let's just zip on down here. Safe area. Relatively safe area. Man, if I would have known I'd be getting a Carno saddle, or a Carno again, I would have prepped a Carno saddle now. But I think I need a smithy for that. Oh, you're just gonna pathfind? Alright, let's get you just right here as close to the edge as we can. We'll leave them on attacking target in case, you know, the worst happens. But look at that. 120 to 172, so not an absolute perfect tame. We have no ankly kibble whatsoever, so I just had to make do with prime meat there. Oh man, I am just so excited over this. And I did try to keep an eye out for RG levels while I was going around hunting up prime meat. Unfortunately, what was it? I think the highest I found was like a level 96, and that's just not enough for me right there. I mean, I hate to be all picky and elitist, because usually I can make any dino work, but you know, you just can't deny those high levels there. Alright, so I've been resisting it the whole time I was out here. Let's grab one drop. Oh, water jar and medium crop plot blueprints. So I guess that kind of means game over. We're gonna wipe the map now. There's nothing else left to do. I'm kidding. That's just a big load of sarcasm there. Is it even worth keeping them? Alright, yeah. I guess it is. Alright, guys. I don't know how long this episode's running altogether now. I think this might end up being a super short adventure here. So, I want to thank everybody out there for watching this video today, so remember to slam that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it, and if you want to keep following this series, please subscribe. So, until next time, I am Omni. This is our Survival Evolved on the Wolves server. And I just want to remind everyone out there to play hard and game harder. See you next time, Pete.